Arrays allow you to store several pieces of data in one place. So look at this example. First array. Now arrays always start with a bracket and then end with a bracket, which you can see here. To show the beginning and the ending of the array, and every element in the array is separated by a comma. So you can see here we have the first element, which is a string, Alex. Then we have here a comma, and the second element is a number, in my case 50, and you can have more and more elements. You just put comma and keep adding elements, and the elements can be any data type. You can see here we have, like I said, a string, a number, but you can always use arrays, also use arrays or floating numbers or really any sort of data type in your array. So let's see another example. So let's do here in second array, let's put the name in here, let's say example, then we can separate by a comma, then let's put a number in here, let's say 5 for example. We can now store as much data information in this array, and with the comma we can store more and more information in this second array or in this first array. So this lecture was about arrays, and I'm gonna see you in the next lecture.